Okay, good morning. So what we have here, we had the open, and I drew in these green lines just to mark where the Globex high and the Globex low, which is not very far. So 16.5 and 21/4. It's about 5 points. So for this morning, we have used this up here. We used this 25/4 already. So we would expect that any push up would at least get us to 27/4, and if we can get above that, we're really looking for a new high up to 37/4, even 40/4. That's for the upside on the buying side. And if we get a pullback here, which is not at all out of the question, of course we've got this 14.5, which was the high here a couple of days, so we probed up here over here, probed up here over here, so 14.5 is something to keep an eye on. But fairly likely that we're going to want to come back and test this 12/4 area, and then even this 08.5 area, possibly, again, even still likely. And then we've got right here, we've got 06/4. It's not out of the question, but it's not my first ideal scenario. So back here to 12/4, kind of like that's a no-brainer to come back and test that. Doesn't mean it's guaranteed to happen, just means likely that's what they're going to want to do. And then you've got 08.5, which is also, you know, fairly likely, less likely than 12/4, but still fairly likely. And then we've got these two down here, and they're kind of in the same category. Like, if they do come down here, it would be ideal to see them hold for buying. And if they won't hold for buying, then it opens us up quite a ways. We could see all the way back into the all the way back here into the 76 area, or even that 68 CPA down here. Of course, we'd have all these prices to get through, so one at a time, but that's sort of what we're looking for here today. Is the worst case, if we pull back into this, best case scenario, this area holds for buying. Worst case, this area holds for buying. That's a pretty long ways down, so if you see some good selling opportunities down to here, certainly take advantage of that. And then 27/4 would be a little bit of a pullback area, and if we can't break up above 27/4, then obviously that lower scenario. And then on the other side up here, on the other side of 27/4 is 37/3 and 40.5, and we'd be looking for one of those. And of course we have to mention the all-time high right here, which is 32.5. So what we'd expect is up to here, maybe a little bit of a pullback down to here if we haven't pulled back down to there, or even down to here or here, and then a push up through the high. That's sort of what we're looking for here, if that's the scenario that plays out. So there you have it, and we will see you in MAP.